Have you ever looked down at your feet after a long day and felt a wave of concern rise in your chest? Maybe they looked puffier than usual, heavier even. Maybe climbing the stairs felt like dragging weights behind you. For many people over 50, this isn't just a once-in-a-while problem, it becomes a part of daily life. But what if I told you that swollen legs, heavy feet, and that stubborn, tired feeling might not be aging after all? What if the answer lies in a single vitamin that hardly anyone talks about? That's right. There's one key vitamin that can make a real difference in your leg health, and most people aren't getting nearly enough of it. So stay with me until the end of this video. Because today, you'll learn exactly what causes leg swelling, which 3 nutrients are essential to fixing it, and what everyday steps you can take to feel stronger, lighter, and more confident again. Imagine waking up one morning, swinging your legs over the side of the bed, and immediately feeling like your feet are made of bricks. There's no sharp pain, just a deep, stubborn heaviness. You try to stretch, walk it off, maybe even soak your feet, but nothing seems to help. Sound familiar? For many older adults, swelling in the legs and ankles can sneak up gradually. At first, it's easy to dismiss just a long day, a salty meal, or maybe the heat. But as it starts to happen more often, it begins to affect how you move, how long you can stand, and even how you sleep. Doctors might say it's part of getting older, or they might prescribe water pills or blood thinners. But those come with side effects and don't always get to the root of the problem. What your body might really be missing is balance specifically. A balance of minerals and one powerful vitamin that your cells need to stay healthy. Let's start with how your body holds water in the first place. Inside each of your cells are tiny pumps, known as sodium-potassium pumps. These act like gatekeepers, pushing water and minerals in and out of your cells to maintain balance. But when your body doesn't get enough of the right nutrients, these pumps stop working properly. Water starts to collect outside your cells instead of staying inside, and that's when swelling starts. The most important mineral for these pumps is potassium. Without enough potassium, the sodium-potassium pump can't push sodium out of the cell. That causes a chain reaction. Sodium builds up, water follows the sodium, and you end up with puffiness in your legs, feet, and even your hands. Potassium is something we often overlook because we assume we're getting enough. But did you know that adults need around 4,700 milligrams every single day? That's more than 15 bananas worth of potassium. Obviously, no one wants to eat that many bananas in a day. So the trick is to get potassium from a variety of sources of avocados. Leafy greens, sweet potatoes, and berries are all rich in this powerful mineral. Even a cup of strawberries gives you a helpful potassium boost without all the sugar. The second mineral you need is magnesium. This one works hand in hand with potassium. While potassium helps your cells push sodium out, magnesium keeps everything moving smoothly. Magnesium helps relax your muscles, regulate nerve signals, and support your heart. If you don't have enough magnesium, your muscles stay tense. That can lead to painful cramps, poor circulation, and more swelling. Thankfully, magnesium is easier to get than potassium. Almonds, cashews, beans, spinach, and even dark chocolate are all great sources. Or you can try magnesium-rich powders or creams that absorb through your skin. Just a handful of almonds a day can start making a difference. But the real key, the one vitamin most people miss entirely, is vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. This might be the most underrated vitamin when it comes to your leg health. Vitamin B1 helps your body turn the sugar you eat into usable energy. Without it, sugar builds up in your blood, your body gets inflamed, and circulation gets worse. It leads to numbness, tingling, and swollen feet, especially at night. If you've ever felt burning or tightness in your feet when lying down low, B1 could be the reason. The good news is that it's easy to get B1 from pork, sunflower seeds, beans, or whole grains. But many people still don't get enough, especially if they eat a lot of sugar or refined carbs. Sugar is a huge hidden culprit here. High blood sugar leads to insulin spikes, which causes your body to retain sodium. And when you hold on to sodium, you also hold on to water. That water doesn't just disappear, settles in your lower legs. The result is that bloated, aching feeling that's so hard to shake. To fight swelling naturally, you need to cut back on sugar and processed foods while adding potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B1 into your daily diet. It's not about going on a harsh diet or making dramatic changes, just smart, steady improvements. One easy step? Start your morning with a banana-almond smoothie. Gives you potassium, magnesium, fiber, and healthy fats, all in one glass. Add half an avocado to your lunch or sprinkle sunflower seeds on a salad. Roast some sweet potatoes for dinner. The more variety you include, the more likely you'll hit your vitamin goals without even thinking about it. And don't forget to hydrate, but do it smartly. Drinking too much water too quickly can flush out your minerals, leaving you worse off than before. Instead, sip water slowly throughout the day and include an electrolyte drink once in a while. Just make sure dose and tea have added sugars. You can also use magnesium oil directly on your legs. Just rub a small amount into your calves before bed. It helps soothe muscle tension and improve circulation right where you need it. Some people feel relief in just a few nights. Others notice that they sleep better too, because when your legs are less restless, your whole body relaxes. While vitamins and minerals are essential, they work even better when paired with simple habits that support leg health. Try elevating your feet for 20 minutes a day. Place a pillow under your knees if you sleep on your back, or between your knees if you sleep on your side. This keeps your legs aligned and prevents unnecessary tension on your muscles and veins. Regular movement is also key. Gentle walking, stretching, and ankle rotations can do wonders for your circulation. Even a few minutes a day helps push blood back up from your legs toward your heart, reducing swelling naturally. If you sit a lot during the day, try standing up and moving every hour even just for a minute or two. As you focus on giving your body what it needs, remember that progress takes time. These natural methods may not deliver instant results, but if you stick with them for a few weeks, many people notice real changes: less swelling, more energy, and fewer aches. Sometimes all it takes is understanding what's going on beneath the surface. Swollen legs are indeed just about aging. They often a signal that something is out of balance. But the balance can be restored gently and naturally with the right support. You don't need to rely on pills with side effects or feel stuck with swelling that one tea go away. There's hope, and it starts with just 3 nutrients: potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B1. If you've been living with swollen feet, stiffness, or that dragging feeling in your legs, now is the time to take action. Add these nutrients to your meals, stay consistent, and watch your body respond. You might be surprised at how much better you start to feel in just a few weeks. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Have you tried any of these foods or methods? What's worked for you? Let me know in the comments below. Your story might help someone else take their first step toward feeling better. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more simple, science-based health tips made especially for people over 50. Remember, it's not about adding years to your life. It's about adding life to your years. Stronger legs mean more freedom, more confidence, and more joy in the everyday moments. Let's go ahead, take that first step today. You've got this.